What's up guys, welcome to Honest Cooks. Today let's make the ultimate dipping sauce. One that goes well with almost everything, is super easy to make and tastes wonderful. Alright, let's go. We'll begin with 1 tablespoon of white distilled vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and that's 2. 1 teaspoon of crushed red peppers, 3 cloves of garlic, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Have all your ingredients ready before you start this extremely complicated recipe that takes 2 whole minutes to make. And when you're ready, heat some olive oil, and when the oil is hot, add your garlic. And when the garlic starts to brown, add in all your other ingredients. Use a whisk and mix everything till the sugar dissolves. These sugar particles here, these need to be dissolved completely, and whisking will help the process. And once the sugar is completely dissolved, your 120-second sauce is ready. You can serve this hot, cold, or room temperature. Enjoy this recipe with Honest Cooks' very special vegan summer rolls and shrimp summer rolls. Links are in the description box. Go check it out now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let us know how it turned out in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.